Привет, дорогие друзья, как дела? Today I want to talk about Russian language and why we should learn it. So, many of you heard about Russia. It's a very cold country. People in Russia are always get wasted and drunk. Uh, Russia is country of spies, but these are some bullshit or stereotypes, which is most of them are not based on truth. So why we should learn Russian language? First of all, first is poetry and literature, because this language is a language of poetry, literature, and they have really uh, back to history. They have really good resume in their literature grades and literature marks, because they got lots of uh, great poets and uh, for example Pushkin, Gogol, Dostoevsky, maybe others which I cannot remember right now. Uh, this is the first big reason when, as in Persian, we have some um, poets which is related to the classic literature, and everybody come to us and say why we should learn this language. The most important and the basic and fundamental reason is this one, the poetry and literature, because this one is Sami Samiglavni. It's important. It's very important. The second reason is because Russia is the biggest country in the world, and also the important one is it has a really great politics effect on the world, which is anytime you just want to watch news, you can see Russian people or Russian politics on TV. So why is like that? For example, why you should learn Russian language? Because of this reason. For example, you watch some channels, American, English, British, but maybe sometimes they don't tell you the truth, or you just judge by your English because the reporter speaks in English, talks in English. So it's better to know Russian language and see the Russian side and what are their actions or reaction that compares it to others, uh, to have a more uh, complete to have complete information about our political view and points. So the last one, I think, or maybe it's because this Russian language is language of not only Russia. Maybe you think, okay, people in Russia speaking Russian language, 145 million people, but the truth is not only Russia, Belarus, Minsk, Ukraine, and some countries which is they were part of Soviet Union. Their second language is Russian, like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, um, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. They also speak in Russian. And Russian is actually teach in their schools. The last one, I think, maybe you're not agree with me, is Russian is a very beautiful language. It's a rich language, because you can see, for example, um, in between the Slavic languages, Russian is not like English, not French, not German, uh, but the thing is, Russian language is so much pretty and beautiful. Maybe most of you, which are not trying to learn Russian, or at least started to learn Russian, they don't like the alphabet. But in general, Russian has a high level of flexibility. For example, you can see in most of Russian verbs they use one prefix and it will change all the meaning. For example, as an example, Viti means going out, Voiti means coming in, Zaiti means uh, in your way you just go and, For example, yes I do magazine means on your way to the magazine. Means za, ve, vi, they all change the meaning of the uh, verbs. So this is kind of the complexity, beautiful and prettiness of Russian language, and this flexibility will this flexibility is going to be the reason of prettiness in Russian language. So guys, stay with Linguist, subscribe our channel, and watch more videos. We have we cover all courses of Russian language, Russian culture, and Russian music in near future. I will put some links in the description, down the description. Please subscribe us, smash the subscribe button, and also see you guys next video. До встречи. Пока.